No matter how much a person grows, his true growth lies in how he sees and respects others. A heart that gives respect is the true measure of greatness. A living example of that is today's story. No matter how high Dr. Raj rose in life, that height never rose to his mind. Even though he was aware of his greatness, he never displayed it. That is why, till his very last breath, he remained the embodiment of simplicity. At the Silver Jubilee celebration of the immensely successful Telugu film Premabhishekam, the chief guest invited was Dr. Rajkumar. Accepting the invitation, Dr. Raj arrived in Hyderabad. The moment he stepped down at the Hyderabad airport, the sight before him left him astonished for a brief second. The central figure of that grand celebration, the legendary icon of Telugu cinema, Akkineni Nageswara Rao himself, was standing there holding a garland, waiting to welcome Dr. Raj. And not just that, while warmly receiving Dr. Raj, Akkineni Garu uttered these words: "A rare jewel where diamond and gold unite, Dr. Rajkumar." In that very moment, a thought arose in Dr. Rajkumar's heart. This is not my honor. This is the honor of Karnataka. Recognizing talent is not greatness. Honoring it is true greatness. This is not merely the greatness of an artist. This is the glory of our nation's culture. This is the true symbol of national unity.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन दबाएं और इसे शेयर जरूर करें।
आपका साथ ही हमें ऐसे प्रेरणादायक और नैतिक विषयों पर वीडियो बनाने की ताकत देता है।
For more such inspiring moments, stay with us. We will meet again with another remarkable true story. Namaskara.